All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's talk about every technician's love-hate relationship with customers. Okay, what do I mean? Because there was a bleep, because I don't want this video being demonetized, but everybody's had those, well, overly sensitive customers that pay attention to everything. And, you know, my car's making a new noise. It didn't make that before. Usually after you fix something, because they couldn't hear it over something else they couldn't hear. But I have a love-hate relationship with those kind of customers. I've got one right behind the camera. It's a Jeep. You know, famously, Jeeps mark their territory. You know, the old line about if you don't have spots of oil underneath a Jeep, it ain't got no oil in it. Well, I have now fixed, several oil leaks on it. I guess about 6 or so months ago, it came in, had a transmission pan oil leak, fixed that, came back in at the last oil change, complaining of oil leak, didn't find any. Well, it's back again, complaint of oil leak, and well, it's got an oil leak. It's a 3.6 Jeep. What do you think it is? Yep, oil cooler. So, as soon as the service writer got a hold of him, he bought it. But on the other side of that, you have the customers that complain because, you know, it doesn't brake the same way it used to after you did my brakes. Well, it's not going to. Or the new noise complaint, or the subtle noise that, quite frankly, nobody else is going to be able to hear. You know, we've all had those customers. They're willing to fix it. They are more than willing to fix that complaint. You just got to figure out what their complaint is. Because, you know, it's like, yeah, there's a subtle little noise when the car is like, you know, after 10 minutes of driving, and the description of it is, oh, well, it's a noise. That's helpful. You know, but the thing about those customers is you figure out what their problem is, they almost always fix it. You're always like, I don't want to mess with this. Oh, wait, money. So again, that's why I have a love-hate relationship with them, because it can be annoying and yet profitable. Hopefully for you, when you have a persnickety customer, it's an easy find when it's, you know, an oil cooler leaking. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.